In all things, God works for the good of those who love him, who have been called according to his purpose. Romans 8:28. Okay, hey everyone, it's your girl LaDonna Marie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do a quarantine glam look, okay, that I chose right here. And they're affordable makeup. It's not a brand. It's from the beauty supply store and it's NK makeup. And I had got the palette Birthday Cake. This is what the Birthday Cake palette looks like. It's pretty. The Poison Apple palette. And I had got both of these palettes. They were only like, I think like $3.99. And I think it's really pretty colors. I mean, I don't see nothing wrong with it. I feel like if you do have affordable and cheap makeup, it's up to you to make the look. And as long as you blend well and make sure everything is on point, you should be good to go. Now, however, the only thing I don't like about these is it doesn't have any shades on the back. It just has like letters or something, I think. Yeah, letters. So I'm just like, ugh. But all in all, I like the palette. I feel like they're pretty colors. I already did swatches on these. So I had let my Instagram followers pick which palette they would like to see from me. So I had got one, I think 57%, the other one 43% palette, okay? The Poison Apple palette, pretty colors, vibrant, which I like. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I wish y'all could have, you know, had more votes on this palette because I'm really feeling the colors on this palette. It's very live, it's very vibrant, very summery. But it's okay because we're gonna work with what we got today, okay? I already did my eyebrows, and if you guys want to know how I did my eyebrows, just check out my video on how to do eyebrows in the description box below, and it will teach you everything you need to know about eyebrows for beginners. So make sure you guys go check that out, and make sure you guys also like, comment, and subscribe. And we just gonna get into this look and let's see how it turns out. Let's see if y'all like it. Let me know in the comment box below what you guys would like to see from me. Let me know other things that I should do. So we're gonna get right into it. So y'all, I have not prepped my lid yet, so I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn and just go ahead and prep my eyelid with that, just so First, what I'm going to do is take this shade right here, go ahead and prep my whole eye with that. Just use it as like a setting powder and just go throughout my eyebrow so my eyeshadow won't crease when I do my look, and just sit everything almost into place. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here in my crease area, and then I'm gonna do a lighter shade, probably this color, and bring it up a little bit just so it can blend and so the transition can be more clear. So first I'm gonna take this shade right here, just gonna tap a fair amount, and you want to work this in. I've learned that if you just get a whole bunch, especially if the palette is not as pigmented as you want, if you just keep getting a whole bunch, it starts to look clunky and it starts to look just horrible and not blended well. So my suggestion is you guys just lightly tap the palette and dust it off and add it on, because you can always add on, but you can never take away. Oh, and I just wanted to show y'all, look at these cute earrings. Oh my god, I don't know if y'all can see them. It says Glam on them, and I got them for a beauty supply store. It's cute, so I like them. Okay, so back to what we was talking about. So yeah, I'm just taking a little bit of that, and I'm just going in with my cream. It reminds me of like don't put it down hard because you ain't gonna have room to blend. You just want to go lightly, like lightly feather it out, lightly stroke it, lightly blend it. Because if you just go in like, no, it's first off, your eyelid is gonna hurt, and secondly, it's just gonna look a hot mess. What I want y'all to know is Like, y'all need to take advantage of this time, like, of everything that's going around. And I'm not gonna lie, I kind of been getting distracted, you know, because I just been resting, you know, from work. And this year, I'm just trying to do everything that I know I'm supposed to be doing. I'm in work. I have my own home. I have my own car. I have my own business. Then this YouTube stuff, I'm trying to tell y'all, this is not easy, okay? It is not easy. It takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of dedication. It takes a lot of commitment. It takes a lot of sacrifices. Like, I'm trying to tell y'all, it be days, y'all, where I be wanting to lay down, but I don't, because I realize, oh, you know, I gotta go get it. Okay, so next I'm gonna use this shade right here. This almost like pink, light pink shade. And I'm just gonna go ahead and take some of that and add that right there. Just to make it a little lighter. So y'all, I'm gonna try to use this whole palette. If I can't, look y'all, don't come for me, okay? This is pretty though. They knew what they were doing. They made this. Go ahead and get that affordable palette and work with it. Practice. You know, practice makes progress. And I've learned that too. Practice makes progress. So I'm just blending this in a little bit more. I'm gonna make it a success to use all the colors. Okay, so we've already used this color, used that color, and we used this color. So we got these more to go. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and hop in that little reddish color, and I'm gonna go ahead and like put that in the ends of my crease, like kind of like bring it out a little bit. Then I'm gonna go back in with that deep burgundy color, and I'm gonna go back in, add some more in my crease just to give it some more definition. I'm loving how these colors are blending. It's so beautiful. Like, I don't even think y'all can really see like what I see. Like, the camera's not picking up what I'm seeing right now. I don't care what nobody says. You know, when you doing like a really good eye, you have to go back and forth and dip back into the palette. Because I like to mix my HD. This is like the concealer high definition. Go ahead and put that to cut my crease. So I'm gonna take this shade right here, add that on my upper crease, right here, along with the other shade that I just did. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there too. And what I'm doing is creating another cut crease. But yeah, I did want to give you guys the opportunity to win something. So once I reach about 200 subscribers, I will be giving my first giveaway. I don't know what it is yet, but I promise y'all it's worth a while. So just make sure you guys keep up with the videos and keep up with my content. Just let me know how I'm doing. I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here, which is really pretty. Add this last shade right here on the end of my eye. So next I'm gonna take my Pore Defense Primer from Hard Candy Cosmetics, and I'm gonna go ahead and just add that in. I am going to go ahead and use my LA Girl Pro Concealer, my color corrector, and I'm gonna go ahead and like do it where I have most discoloration, which is around my mouth. So right now I'm just gonna take my beauty blender. I'm just gonna go in and start blending. And now that I look like a Oompa Loompa, I am going to take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Warm Coconut with my e.l.f. foundation brush. Okay, so now that we have our foundation done, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fine. Y'all, this is my favorite concealer because it's affordable and the coverage is good. Next, I'm going to take my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Deep Olive, and I'm just going to add just a tad bit because this concealer really dries out quickly. I'm just going to add 3 little dots. So while that sits in, because I learned this trick from Jackiana, you go ahead and let your concealer kind of sit in so it can create that full coverage effect. So right now I'm gonna leave this on for about 5 minutes. Foundation Stick by Makeup Revolution, and go ahead and add my contour. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and blend my concealer with my beauty blender. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose a little bit, just a tad bit. And I think I will be doing a contour tutorial because I think it's very, very important that everybody learns how to contour, especially when it comes to makeup, because it's really a big key to makeup and it adds so much life to your face. Translucent powder, Maybelline Fit Me translucent powder in the shade 35 Deep. I'll go ahead and press that into my skin. I am going to go ahead and use my contour palette. And I got this from the beauty supply store. I like it. I like to mix these kind of two together. And go ahead and contour. Oh, and make sure you guys go check out my Forever 21 haul. Got a lot of looks on there. Use this color right here to just go ahead and smoke this out a little bit. I'm just gonna take my eyeliner and go ahead and go in. So I'm gonna take my setting spray, and I got that from the beauty supply store too. And what? Y'all already know me. I like to use my Cover FX highlighter palette. Y'all see I hit pan with this one. It's my favorite shade. So act like you know. If you don't know, then now you know. I'm gonna go ahead and just gloss my cheeks a little bit. Yummy. Y'all love this highlighter palette. Like, this is my favorite. Like, I have other ones, but this one don't. Other ones don't give me this type of thing that I like. So I'm gonna add some on my chin. And then I like to add a little bit on my brow bone. For my nose, I like to go ahead and take my finger. And then Cupid's bow. Okay, so last but not least, I'm going to be adding my lip gloss from Milani in the shade Seduction, and I'm just gonna add that literally in the middle of my lip. I'm gonna go ahead and blend that with my finger outward. I'm going to add my LA Girl Colors lip gloss in the shade Heavenly and go ahead and apply that on my lips. It's glam, y'all. Like, I need to at least just go somewhere just to show this look that I'm doing right now. So y'all, this is the finished product, and I hope you guys enjoyed this type of content on this quarantine glam look, okay, using this Poison Apple palette. And I've decided that I'm gonna have a part 2 of this quarantine glam look, and I am going to do birthday cake palette, and I'm going to try to use all of these shades that come in the palette, just like I did this one. And I really enjoyed this. This was a challenge for me because normally I'm, like I said, I'm instead of look, you know, I just do stuff for my eyes. And I just want to let you guys know that I love you guys, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Check out my videos in the description box below. And yeah, you guys have a blessed and highly favored day.